Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, power, never, ever, after work is over. Work it, make it, do it, makes us.
Electrical engineering means that I'll have a job when nobody else does when we get out of here, and I'll get to do something that I enjoy doing instead of sitting at a desk doing paperwork. I'll actually get to apply my knowledge and develop products to improve people's lives.
Power?
Power interests me.
Really? That's cool.
Like induced voltages, large currents, like being able to use computers, like having power at my house.
It's challenging yet rewarding.
Okay, cool.
It's been my lifelong goal ever since I was a little child to rule the world.
Oh, okay, and you believe electrical engineering
will get me there.
Will get you there.
Yes.
You learn new things every single day,
Mm-hmm.
and that's a fantastic thing about it. And it was electrical engineering is something that's worthwhile that actually applies to the real world. I've enjoyed the projects that they've given here at UAB to actually apply the knowledge that we've learned. So I guess a memorable moment would be in the microprocessors lab. We stayed up until 2 o'clock in the morning, and we're gathered around this LCD panel. We're actually moving the bits to go to this LCD panel to turn on a light. And the light came on, and we were all just getting up and dancing and singing, and like, yay, we did it! And it's just a sense of accomplishment that you get when you actually do something difficult.
Ta-da! Really, this variable capacitor, and then the coil. And then there's like a diode under here. That's the main stuff really, but other people have like, you know, transformers and stuff like that. I don't know, you learn a lot of different things, like not just even electrical engineering, but like, you know, like I guess sort of mechanical and stuff like that. So I mean, it's really fun. I liked it a lot.
It's really good. Building AM radio, crystal radio, no batteries, pretty neat.
I'm working on FM signals. Frequency modulation for communications class. Look at these really cool Bessel functions. This is the frequency spectrum of some sort of FM signal.
It's a speed control circuit that will be implemented in the car to control the speed. Make it constant speed all the time.
Yeah, we had lots of late nights working in the lab here doing testing, and oftentimes, you know, we'd be over there testing, and the vehicle would achieve a lap, and we'd be hooting and hollering in here. So it's you know, it was real fun. It was easy to get distracted when especially when you achieve your goals and sometimes overreach your goals. So
you know, like when you work in a group for a long time, even the outside activity you do together. You go to the gym together, you go out there group for food together at night. You feel like you're family, with a common goal to pass, to beat the other group, Even a person who is used to be your friend before and is not of your group now, you feel like, hey, keep off. And we didn't want the other people to know what we are doing, so we do when they are not there. best thing, let me tell you.
I had a lot of fun at UAB. I think the things I enjoyed most would be like the atmosphere of the students, the student body as a whole. I'm one to like to go to basketball games and stuff like that, and the experience you get out of that. Basketball's amazing. But there's also a lot of student events and functions around campus that you can go to. There's a lot of free food. A lot of people get together, like mingling with other departments. People who go to like English and sociology. They make you take these like core classes, and that gets you around people like who aren't engineers. The rec center. I went to the rec center a lot, and I met a lot of people there playing basketball and working out and stuff like that. Intramurals are great. I love intramurals. And if you're competitive, or even if you're not competitive, it's still a whole lot of fun. As far as like when we did dodgeball was really cool. You just get a lot of people out there. There's a lot of good sportsmanship and stuff like that throughout it as well. I also play softball, and I did bowling and flag football and ultimate frisbee. Like, I see a lot of the professors out, and not just like low-key, but there's more. I've seen Green at basketball games. I've seen Callahan at games. And it's fun. You get into it, the atmosphere, it gets crazy, and then you see your professors getting into it and other faculty members. A lot of faculty members are alumni from UAB. So they get into the whole spirit of things as well.
Coming to UAB, because it's in Birmingham, it allowed me to co-op and intern with Alabama Power. And also, electrical engineering department having night classes allow me to work during the day and come to school at night. That's actually what I'm doing now in my master's. It's great campus. Lots of opportunities, especially if you're looking for an internship.
UAB's got an interesting mix. Being a metropolitan campus and such, you got a lot of opportunities with employers in the area to go and see and interact with, as well as they influence your education. A lot of your professors and stuff actually work in the field and come and teach you, and so those are great professors to learn from, because they teach you real, it's not your typical academic teacher that hasn't ever done it. And all of our professors, have done it or are doing it currently, and that really helps you see, how things are actually done. And that's really the cool part, is when you actually learn something like how to build a filter, for the first time, and you're like, wow, that's it's something useful.
It was an interesting experience. It was difficult, but it was very rewarding at the same time. The diversity here at UAB, you had different races, different ethnicities, different cultures, different religions, just a whole bunch of people from a different background, and it's always good to gain experience from other people and their different lifestyles, because it can help you make improvements on your own lifestyle.
Like, kick back and enjoy it. It's college. You want to go to college once. Make the most of it. You're gonna study and you're gonna like work hard and you're gonna be gone a lot. But outside of that, enjoy the university environment. Go out to the HUC, to the university center. Go to your intramurals and stuff like that. It really it makes your college experience that much better. To get away from the building and your normal everyday studies and stuff like that. But concentrate on your studies, because what you do here really will help you out in the long run, and learn as much as you can while you're here, because the people here are really here to help you to understand what you're doing and why you're here.
You'll get a great education from great teachers who are enthusiastic about teaching young engineers to get them jobs when they get out of here.
One more time.